Mafans rĩu nĩ makenereire na njĩra nene mũno ndeto iria irakorirwo ikĩrekererio nĩ DJ stylus ciĩgiĩ Keziah wa Kariuki na PK Karitei. You remember nĩ matũrehagĩra tabarĩra ya gũkũngũiya live on Kameme TV every Sunday, tabarĩra yendetwo mũno na nĩ yarĩ na ngumo mũno, no nĩ yacokire ĩkĩninwo and they each went their separate ways, na mafans magĩtigwo na ciũria nyingĩ mũno, magĩtigwo matarĩ akenu nĩ kuona tabarĩra yao ĩkĩninwo o ũguo. Na over the years nĩ makoretwo makĩũria Keziah na Karitei na stylus magacoka rĩ, when will they be back on TV together as the trio that they used to be. Makiuga no mende kũmona makĩreha tabarĩra ĩngĩ marĩ o atatũ o ũguo marĩ, nĩ makenagio nĩyo mũno. Na rĩu stylus nĩ arakorirwo akĩrekereria ndeto cia magegania kũrĩ mafans ake, akĩmera mahoya mao nĩ macoketio. They have heard their prayers, they have heard their request, na in fact mena mũbango mwega na they are working on something, na in fact they might be coming back to our screens together. Na he actually tagged PK Karitei na Keziah wa Kariuki in that post, and it was some rather good news kuri mafans ake, nĩ marakenereire ndeto ici mũno. He shared this akiuga, you've been asking for the trio 2017 PK Karitei Keziah wa Kariuki, 5 years down the line tuko sawa, 2029 tuko na mipango kuwahusu wao. Na immediately he shared this, his fans nĩ marakenereire ndeto ici muno, and they flooded his comment section kumera nĩ marakena mũno kuona ati they have plans, they're working on something and they might be coming back. Teresia Ndung'u akiuga welcome back, Ann Kirago eagerly waiting, onake Lois Jones, guy mko nayo please ikuwe haraka, nitacheki kila wiki, mlienda tukaachwa kwa TV kila Friday kuangalia, ka tutawaona ile show ya Friday night mkiwa pamoja ilikuwa lively, and the Holy Spirit and the presence of the Lord was with you people. God, I wish hizo siku ziwepo tena. Jackie Teen Mash Mbogi akiuga we can't wait, we miss you those days guys. Jane Budia, it was the best and the record is still there. Wow. Christina Agi, I really miss this team, you are highly blessed. Onake Elias Clinton akiuga hapo fine, 2029 ni mbali sana, make it soon. Usenema watu wanatuigia akienda they make it sooner than 2029. Irene Wajiro, welcome back again, I miss you all. Friday kesha na Sunday morning. Beth Kamade, may God reunite you again for us, you are so amazing guys. Nanima Sarah Kenya akiuga waiting eagerly. Susan Gathoni, when and where, can't wait. Onake PK Karitei arauga I miss those days, thank God many people were blessed, God bless Kameme TV. It is obvious mafans aoni akenu muno nĩ ndeto ici, magakenerera ndeto ici cia stylus na njĩra nene mũno, and they can't wait to have their favorite trio stylus, Keziah wa Kariuki na PK Karitei back on their screens. And make sure you never miss an update. Subscribe now for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.